YouTube channel. Create, upload and monetize. YouTube is not just entertainment, it's business platform. From AI tutorial to music blogs or tech reviews, content creators are earning thousands of dollars monthly. Tip: consistency plus SEO title plus EYE, it means eye catching thumbnail success. It means consistency and SEO title and eye catching thumbnail bring to success. Potential income monthly $200 to $10,000 depending on niche and views. Blogging will long-term passive income. Number 5. Blogging is still relevant in 2025 if you focus on SEO and unique content. Create blogs around finance, technology or lifestyle and monetize with Adestra, Google AdSense or affiliate links. Tip: write informative, emotion-rich content that keeps readers hooked. Number 6. AI powered by job, the future of work. AI powered jobs, the future of work. AI has opened new income streams from AI prompt engineering to automated content creations. You can create AI based video, write blogs or even sells AI tools as a service. Pro tips: learn AI tools like ChatGPT, Leonardo AI and PK Labs to stay ahead. Number 7. Print on demand creative business. If you love design, start a print on demand business with Rab Double T Spring or Etsy Design, t-shirt, mug, poster, etc. and earn from every sales without holding inventory. Tip: use Canva or Midjourney or design ideas. Social media influencing brand collaborations. Influencers on Instagram, TikTok and YouTube are making big money through brand partnership. Tip: focus on one niche, travel, beauty, tech, motivations. Create authentic short form content and your followers will grow naturally. Number 9. Online course and coaching. If you are skilled in something like English, digital marketing or video editing, create a course on Udemy and Skillshare. Online education is booming in the US and people pay for quality learning. Tip: record high quality lesson using Canva plus CapCut plus OBS. This kind of platform you can earn money. Just you can to do art editing, video editing. Create beautiful video editing. Canva, CapCut and OBS. This is the software. Number 10. Remote job and virtual assistants. Many US companies now hire virtual assistants for administrative, research or creative tasks. Websites like Remote We Work Remotely and Indeed list hundreds of job daily. Tips: learn task management tools like Notions, Trello, and Google Workspace. Conclusion: build, learn, and earn. The secret to success in online earning is consistency, creativity, and patience. Start small, learn every day, and grow your network. 2025 is your year to turn your skill into income and dreams into business. The future belongs to those who take actions, not just those who dream. This is Shamim Saikat with you.